Hi guys, I'm reviewing the ITO Mathematics Olympiad Round 2, Class 7 book. It is designed for students preparing for Round 2 level competitive exams. It includes previous year question paper, usually of last 5 years with explanation of few questions to help students improve logical thinking and problem solving skills. Let's divide the review into positive and negative. First, I'm taking up positive ones. You have 5 previous year question papers that help students understand the exam pattern. Years of paper are 2020 to 21, 2021 to 22, 2022 to 23, 2023 to 24, 2024 to 25. The book contains challenging questions, that is higher order thinking questions suitable for Round 2 level. It covers important Class 7 concepts which is helpful for students. Solutions for few questions are given which helps in self-study. Answer key for all years are given at the end of the book, which will help students verify the answer they got while practicing. While highlighting the strengths of a book is important, discussing its shortcomings is equally essential. A well-rounded review should objectively examine the negative aspects as well, as they help students and provide a more informed and provide constructive feedback for improvement. Some questions are tough without sufficient explanation, which may confuse average students, especially logical reasoning section. Also, explanation is not given for all questions. In a few multiple choice questions, the correct answer does not align with the explanation provided. Additionally, some questions contain minor errors, and in certain cases, the given answer does not match any of the listed options. These inconsistencies may create confusion for students. I'm mentioning the questions that have error either with options, explanation or typo errors. Have reported it to the ITO team for verification. As the book mainly contains previous year's question papers, some topics that have been newly added to the current syllabus are missing. For example, questions based on exponents appear in the 2025-26 paper, but this topic was not included in earlier years. Although students learn the basics of exponents in Class 7, solving higher-order thinking questions on this topic may be difficult without proper practice. It would have been helpful if newly added topics or additional practice questions had been included at the end of the book so that students could prepare accordingly. In conclusion, the book is a good practice resource, but with a few improvements, it could become an excellent and more comprehensive guide for Round 2 students/participants. I hope the review helps the team with improvement and to provide much better study guide for the students who are participating. Thank you for watching. I hope this review was helpful. If you found it useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more such content.